what's up you guys doing today? I hope everybody's doing well. Today I am bringing you by Boxycharm. Boxycharm is a $25 a month subscription box that it brings 4 to 5 full-size makeup products. And yeah, you could enhance your makeup collection, try new brands, and yeah, just love everything you got. I've been with Boxycharm for over, I'm gonna say 6 years or going into 6 years, and I am still subscribed, so that says a lot, right? So this box is August. I am a little late, but I wanted to bring it to you guys. I was moving, then I became positive for COVID, and shit hit the ground. But we're here, I'm here, better than ever, gonna bring you some content and all. Just bear with me. So yeah, let's get into this box. This month box is, look how cute the card. It says go all out. I love it. The variation is right here. Now it has a whole bunch of numbers. I don't know why. I don't know. First it had like 4 in the heart. Now it has a whole bunch. So this is variation. This is a brief description of everything that's in the box, prices and all. The dimension doesn't come in the box any longer, so but the weight sometimes it does. Everything will be right around here at the end of the video. Price and everything and how much this box was. Let's get into it. Okay, first thing I grabbed was this, which I had to contact them and be like, why are you sending me a lot of skincare? I have tons of skincare, guys, and it's a shame because if you test them, then it's one thing that's open, it expires, you know, rather than have it leaving it closed and new and just finishing one thing at a time. So yeah, first thing was this. I love this. Is the Give Them Lala Beauty, or is it Lala Beauty? Give them Lala Beauty. Okay, so I guess this is from Lala Beauty. Never heard of them. It is the Grown Woman palette. It's pretty. I do like the marble concept. Brings a cues. If you hear booming sounds, they're throwing for Labor Day. They're throwing those firecrackers things. This is how it looks. It's more into the warm palette. It's pretty. Then I got this, and this is from an Iconic London, and this is in the shade medium bronze. It says Ultimate Bronzing Powder. That's how it looks. It says right here medium bronze. Oh, and I didn't tell you the price of that. Let me tell you the price of this palette. What am I doing? It's like I'm all over the place, guys. Bear with me. It says, say hello to a gorgeous eye palette full of earthy sunset color matte and foiled shadows. Includes 9 highly pigmented shadows that feel buttery, soft, and silky to the touch. These perfectly blendable shades effortlessly glide across the eyelid for a long-lasting, jaw-dropping looks every time. And this is $42. Now, the bronzer. The bronzer is Iconic London Ultimate Bronzing Powder. Ultimate Bronzing Powder is perfect for creating an all-over sun-kissed warmth or a define and sculpture to the face with a natural matte finish. You can fake a just stepped of the beach bronze look all year round. The silky powder sits comfortably on the skin, skimming effortlessly over pores and fine lines for an ultimate flawless finish. Available in 6 flattering shades to suit your skin tones. And this is $35. I love this. Oh, very nice, very, you know, luxurious. I love when a palette brings this frosted that you take out because it doesn't give you that glare. And this is how it looks. I really like it. Ooh, very soft. Doesn't have a smell. I think this is one of those palettes. Look, it doesn't erase nothing. It just comes into your finger. And look at the palette, intact. Good formula. It gives you a little some here. See it right here? Okay. Next, what is this? This is from Kate Summerville. Exfoliant Glow Moisturizer. That's how it looks. It says it has lactic acid and hyaluronic acid. Improves pores and texture while hydrating and smoothing for dewy, refreshed looking skin. And that is, guys, this is ridiculous. This, it says revive dull dry skin, lackluster looking skin with Kate Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. Powerhouse ingredients remove dead skin surfaces, skin cells while smoothing fine lines and wrinkles to reveal younger looking skin. And this is $70. Guys, $70. This better do a miracle. This better do a freaking miracle. I'm telling you, because $70 for this, whoo, this better leave your skin like a baby's butt. Let's see if it has a scent. Oh my goodness, this is cute. And look at the smiley face. Like, oh, smells like I like the smell. Smells like earthy, which I like. I don't understand. Is this an exfoliator or is this a moisturizer? It's exfoliate. Oh, exfoliate moisturize. Okay, exfoliate glow. My food is done. You hear the beeping? It says exfoliate glow moisturizer. Oh, okay, I thought it was for you to wash your face. This cream or this moisturizer better do wonders. Next is this, and this says Clean Skin Club Clean Slate Cleaning Mist, salicylic acid, rose extract, and eucalyptus oil. Ooh, this is good. So what is this? Let's see, guys. A lot of good things in this box. It says clean skin. Okay, it says salicylic acid, alpha hydroxy, beta hydroxy acids, and eucalyptus oil are combined to combat impurities and pollutants. This powerful yet lightweight formula effectively reduces acne and breakouts without drying the skin. Mist into clean skin after cleansing and before serum. And this is $38. So this is like a toner. Oh, this is pretty. Look at this frosted bottle. Very pretty. Glass too. Ooh, very, very pretty. I don't have acne and none of that, but let's see. Okay, last thing is this. This is Jecca Black Play Pots, vegan and cruelty free. Right there it says it. And this is Becca Black Play Pot. Play Pot are cream pigments that can be used on the eyes, lips, and cheeks. As cream pigments, they are super easy and to effortlessly blend out while still offering you a high impact pigment with a vegan and cruelty free formula. And this is $21.50. Oh, it's like a shimmer. Here's the JB. Oh, okay. It's like a shimmery kind of thing. Ooh, this is nice for a. This is pretty, guys. It is pretty. Look at that. Look at that, how pretty. That's pretty. This is pretty. I like this box. This box made me happy. I was about to cancel them because they kept on just giving me over and over stuff that I was like, come on now. And I went into the system and I like clarified everything and changed things around. And this box I love. Let me know if you got your August box, and we should be closing to like a September box. So yeah, guys, this is everything for now. Hope you like this video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe before you leave, and until my next video, I love you guys so much. Mwah.